Dalal Street a place of destiny. It is here where the hardworking, the honest thieves and liars alike come out to play. Some speak of the victory, success and untold fortune that lies here, others of defeat and destruction. All these seems to articulate the uncertainties faced by us during our daily existence, because here on this infamous street stands like a monolith the Bombay Stock Exchange.
It all started under the Banyan tree. In 1875, a group of 22 stockbrokers informally started trading so-called Dalali. After this humble beginning, they went on to form an association in the year 1879 known as the Native Trade and Stockbrokers Association. This banyan tree still exists in the Horniman Circle, which happens to be a public park today. During the American Civil War, business in Mumbai got a tremendous boost as the supply of cotton choked between England and America. India was the only potential country England could look forward to. Export of cotton doubled. Between 1861 to 1865, the total import of bullion was 88 crore rupees, where Mumbai alone absorbed 52 crores.
One of the most noteworthy brokers of that time was Premchand Roychand. He was also known as the Napoleon of finance. He was the only English speaker of the 22 stockbrokers. He in fact made English the official language, which was till then done only in Gujarati. Premchand built the Rajabai Tower in the memory of his mother Rajabai in the year 1879. K.R.P. Shroff, the patron of the stock exchange, was the president of BSE from 1923 to 1964. He was honored as the father of the stock market and received the Padma Bhushan for his valuable contribution. Feroz Jamsetji Jijibhoy was the president of the Bombay Stock Exchange from 1966 till his death in 1980. He was instrumental in constructing the present 28-story skyscraper of the BSE, and hence the building is also named after him as the Feroz Jamsetji Jijibhoy Tower.
These were the coins which were given to the Native Trade and Stockbrokers Association members in the year 1875. And this is the first share certificate.
While constructing the 28-story skyscraper, the government accommodated the stockbrokers in temporary buildings near the Dalal Street, like the Kama Building, the New Stock Exchange and the White House.
Regarding shifting of brokers from the premises in 1969 to temporary premises which they vacated in 1980. Most of them were given 10 to 20% less area, and they were shifted to a new building constructed in Hammam Street called White House. Rightly, broker called them White House. Stock Exchange called it Stock Exchange NXC. And most of the brokers were accommodated there with less accommodation. We tried to compensate in 1980 when they were shifted to the tower.
All the buildings had a common ring where verbal trading took place. In the year 1995, the trading system was computerized by bot. The technology brought in radical improvements in the Sensex. BSE is the first in Asia and the second in the world to get the ISO 9001-2000 certificate.
By the 90s, investment and trading got to such a feverish pace that it gave birth to a major scam in the secondary market in 1992. The kingpin of the scam was Harshad Mehta. There was another scam in the year 2003 involving Ketan Parekh.
Trading was going on manually with jobbing and all, but in 1992 Harshad Mehta scam took place. So that shook the whole system. And now the board, the computerized thing is there. Now they cannot manipulate it. In the earlier trade, what used to happen whenever you want to buy the shares, is to get the highest price. Brokers could manipulate. When you want to sell, you are getting the lowest price. Sucheta Dalla exposed it for the first time. The big banks were involved. Unit Trust of India also involved. The big wigs were involved. Lot of money, bank money was siphoned off and used here. Ashok Mehta was a very small man. He was an assistant in an insurance company, Nivandi Insurance. But he was just like a frontman, like Telgi. Now if you see the Telgi scheme, I don't know whether you know about it or not. Telgi is only a mascot. There are so many other powerful people. Putting him as a frontman, they manipulated. It was like that.
Last that took place in 1993, I was at that time in the trading ring, and I was observing all the glasses being broken one by one due to the blast. But the bomb burst in the basement, and first and the second basement where car parking was taking place, and that blast destroyed so many motor cars and took away 5 lives, and because they were just above Bank of Baroda had the highest toll of dead people, about 45.
12th March 1993, one of the RDX planted in Mumbai exploded in the basement of BSE, killing more than 100, injuring many and destroying approximately 36 cars. This dreadful day came to be known as Black Friday. The BSE story isn't just about his journey from the banyan tree to the mega structure. It's about the transformation of an economy and its people.